Hey, if you wonder how we can charge your Beats Solo 4 headphones, let me quickly explain. So first of all, we have to use the USB-C input for the charging. And in the box, we can actually find the double USB-C cable, but also you can use the USB-C to the USB-A cable. And here is actually my cable from my smartphone from the Pixel 7 Pro. And it works with the Beats. Take a look. I'm gonna put it here inside. This second end of the cable I just plugged into my monitor that is turned on, so with the power supply, and as you can see indicator is actually red, which means that headphones are charging. Also, you can connect this cable into any charging brick. In my case, I'm using charging brick from my old Huawei smartphone and it also works. So you can use almost any adapter, any charging brick or any USB-C cable. So yeah, that's all for this video, the quick information for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.